What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and right now we're on a very important mission, guys. We were informed that beep, 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 about 15 minutes ago, oh, here it is, Bugatti Houston posted, there is a Chiron in Houston, baby. It's a spec I've never seen before, and me and Mike right there, jumped out of the bed, not that we were in bed together, jumped out of bed, jumped into clothes, jumped in the car, and we're headed down to Post Oak Motor Cars because we think we may have a chance of seeing it outside. Now, if we don't see it outside, we're just probably gonna drive around a car spot, but hopefully, fingers crossed, if you're seeing this right now, we see a Chiron in about 5 minutes, but for you, it's gonna be a 3, 2, 1. There it is, it's in there. All right, we're parking up. Okay guys, it's here. It's here. We saw it through the window. It's not out in the open like we thought it was gonna be, but it is behind the glass in Post Oak Motor Cars. And I saw that the doors were still open. So we're gonna go try to weasel our way in here for y'all and check out the first customer Chiron in Houston, baby. There it is. It's like baby blue with blue carbon. That is so cool. Oh my God. All right, so it's baby blue and blue carbon with a tan interior. We can't go in right now, but there it is through the glass. A beautiful Bugatti Chiron. I would love to go in and look at it, but they are closed. We got out here at like, I think it's like 6:40, and the dealership closed at 6. So sad face, but we got to see it. It's all good. Now we might go car spotting for a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna do. We got a 720S. Just bought. It's like that silver color they all come in. Alright guys, we got another 720. I've never seen one out here, then we see two within 10 minutes of each other. And then an AMG GT. Alright. Nothing really else spectacular. It's a McLaren kind of night. I think what we're gonna do is after this cop passes, or amber lamps, we're gonna call it a night right now. Oof. And then we're gonna come back in the morning because they open at 9 and Big Mike doesn't have work till 11. Yeah, so we're gonna go home, get some rest, come back in the morning, and I'll get to show you that Chiron in depth, walk around it, show you everything about it, baby. Maybe even sit in it, who knows? Probably not though. See you in like 2 seconds. All right guys, we're back the next day, as promised. They actually moved the Chiron outside of the showroom, and it's right in front of this beautiful hotel now, so here we go. We finally get to take a good look at it. Sadly, they put ropes up all around it, but it is still very pretty. You can see the blue more, got black brakes, aluminum wheels, very pretty. Just the detail that goes into these cars. They got the blue on the freaking mirror. Wow, dude. And then all good things must come to an end. We got the US spec bumpers, baby. Take it in. This is another press car, I was informed. I've actually never seen this one before, even on Instagram or anything. But it's still a Chiron, still a new one to the list. Now we're probably up near our 20s. But yeah, take it in guys, this is a work of art. Got a 488. Beautiful white with the red interior. Looking like a inside out red velvet cupcake. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we got a very rare spot here for the US. The G-Wagon like Landaulet. It's a convertible freaking G-Wagon with a light bar, a tow hook thing. I love it so much. Why can't there be more of these in the US? So rare. Damn. That's simple yet crazy at the same time. Alright guys, we got another first here for car spotting history in Houston. We got the new Vantage. And my goodness, let me tell you, I've gone a full 180 on these cars. I hated them when they came out. I even posted on Instagram how much I hated them. And now, I love them. Just not in that green. They are such good looking cars. And seeing this in white, even the diffuser's white down there. That looks so good. It's got orange brakes and an orange interior. I do love it, and I do want to own one now. I think they look way better than the previous Vantage. Good job, Aston Martin. Hey, we were just in time. The dude came out, and now we get to see it leave. Very cool. Couple cars we haven't seen out very often. An FF and a 488 Spider. These guys are both owned by somebody that owns one of these shops. Good to see him back out, dude. Good to see him back out. Oh mama, look what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. My favorite muscle car, the Corvette ZR1. It's our first time seeing one of these out in the wild as well. Lots of carbon fiber, and it's got the big wing package. Ooh, Jesus. Promise you, mark my words, I will own one of these one day. I got y'all. It just looks so good. Look at all the little carbon fiber bits. Whew. Yes, please. Chevy did this one right. Oh yeah, very nice. We're gonna get a cold start for y'all. This dude was on my flight back from California. What the heck? Woo! Yes, sir. Scuderia.
Look at a stripe with
oh, it's that guy.
Scuderia. Traded in his Gallardo for that. Very nice.
SLR. I think it's going in front of us. Oh, hell yeah. Whoa.
What?
Nice. We gunned it. Ugh.
Got the SLR rolling through Highland Village. Now, this is cool.
Goodbye. What on God's green earth?
Oh my God. Ooh, nice. That is a well good spec.
Old ass man.
Nice. Got a babe with him.
Look what we have here, folks. Pre-Lamborghini festivities. Good Lord, we're hopping out. All right, we got a Performante in this like burnt orange color. Pretty cool. Squadra Course Gallardos, 2 of them. And then the Butch's SV. Very cool. If you couldn't tell, he likes yellow. And then we have another Performante down here. Very, very nice. Wow, we got to stop at City Center today. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was a very successful day of car spotting and checking out the new Chiron Houston has for the short time it does. If you did like the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.